Hello traders, I'm back and right after 4 hours of live stream, I'm right here recording this video for all of those traders uh, who are looking at the gold US dollar and specifically in this video I'm going to discuss the H4 and the H1 time frame. Because remember, if one is trading gold and he is not looking at this pattern or looking at the market this way, I think that trader can be on the wrong side. Okay, so this whole story starts on this breakout. Okay, and I assume I am so sure enough that you guys have seen my previous videos and you know that this was our reversal area, this. Okay, from right here we were bullish, okay, for 2 weeks. I remember this bullish, and then luckily I wasn't on this trade, but if I was, obviously I would have stopped out, then a retest, and then the continuation. So if one say I trade gold, then obviously this thing he has to keep in his mind, right my friends? He has to do what? He has to keep this one thing in mind, that after all, if I look at the gold as bullish or bearish, that is later story. First, the trader should say that how do I interpret this or how do I decode this information. So my friends, that information will be incomplete without a support. Okay, so the support comes in right here. What is this level? This is 3260 approximately level. Okay, so just understand what I'm saying. This is 3260. You know, this was our buying zone recently, previous week. Previous week, this was then our buying zone, then this was our sell zone. You will remember. Then after what it did right here is it gave us this breakout. Okay, now we are officially sellers on gold US dollar on the H4. But my friend, there is one other story in this market, and that other story is, first of all, this. If we say okay, the previous week, at the start of the previous week we identified this support, and on the basis of this we are taking this buy, then I will say okay, okay, goodbye, but a bit weak. But if I also see data from 29th May, this area is holding. Now it makes a little bit sense for me, and that's why even on the H4 for now I'm considering this as a support. And there is one more thing. That other thing it did is, let me first show you this pattern. Where is that? Let me see. Gold pattern on the H4. There is then this pattern as well. See, and the thing is, this pattern has not yet exactly completed. The exact completion level is near 3273, and it dropped almost towards 3282. Well, we can say yes, early, bullish. So if this is uh, going to play this, then obviously this one, if one is looking for a sell, obviously should keep in mind that that person should also look at the H1. Why? Because first of all, let's see where this 33, this line came in. Okay, this is the present line. So see, now 33.20 is one level, 33.20 is one level. And the thing is now completely, my friend, simple. Right here, if you see, and even on the H4 right here, also look at this, it breaks into the Fibonacci. So now it says also this. For now, paste it as this. This is what images it shows at the moment. So now the thing is pretty much simple. How? That is, if one is on a buy from here, which it was today a buy, right here, I traded live in front of you. I explained each and every thing, because see, these bullers seems to be out of the market. These bulls, bullers, I said, these ABCD pattern. So now the whole thing will be right here on the H1, as now it suggests it to be near this 33.46, 33.50 somewhere, that level. And on the H1 that should look like the market is further than going up. Image blurry. So for now this level can, let's see for how long this level holds the market. There is 33 somewhere, this level as well. Okay, so too many levels right here. And this H4 bullish rally, well, like this is market, anything can happen at any time. And on the H1 it also created this support, this level, right? So overall this is the image of the H4. So now how do one trade if one is trading on the H1? Well, on the H1, if some pattern, if reversal candle or something forms, then yes, it can promise a profit of 352 pips, right? If it first drops here, so yes, it can give good profit of around 300, 700, 300 or 350 pips from here. It can also give a loss of around 150 pips, right? So overall, if I say I will first on the H1 observe this 30 329 and 33.20. Okay, this, and if it breaks, then obviously the story will be a little bit blurry, I should say, because then let's say if it gives us a breakout of structure, it depends like how many people comes to trading as well. So yes, that will be a very blurry image. Till now so far on the H1 market is bearish, uh, and bearish from 33.20, 33.30, this zone. And in case of this breakout, then this will be one trade opportunity. And if it breaks this hole, then that will be this opportunity. So more on that later. Maybe it's not happening, but as I said, market can do anything at any time. So we should be remember prepare for the next move of the market, right? So now we know that okay, where are our sell zones, where are our buy zones, right? And it should be easy to practice it on the demo accounts. I highly recommend if one is learning, must practice these on the demo account so that they get some grip over their strategies, right? And yes, to the sell side, well, I should say, if this area hold, then the market can go for a third wave, okay, and that third wave will complete right near 3260 again, right? So it will mean that okay, now like see, it will mean that market is on a higher time frame creating a bottom. So then we see if it breaks to the bottom side or retest and continue, or what it does. Okay, further I don't want to go so that I don't get or make you confused. Overall it was a good day, and I hope you guys must have enjoyed the live streams. So I pretty much discussed each and everything in it. Demo trading, okay, practice it on demo, learn it first, try to build some patience. I'm working on you, I'm training you in the live streams. So go make sure to watch those videos, and you will understand all of these market moves for your future, right? So take a lot of care of yourself. I will see you most probably tomorrow in the live stream, maybe trading one of these levels. Let's see by then where the market will be. So yes, keep me in your prayers. I'll see you tomorrow in the live stream. Take care and have a very good time. Goodbye.